Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. My name is Arij Riyasat. Roll number is 18006 and my topic is biochemistry of grey hair. These are the content of the seminar topic. We discuss introduction, origin, pigmentation of hair, premature graying hair, causes and treatment of grey hair. Hair is a filamentous biomaterial that is made up of keratin, grows from the follicle found in dermis layer. There are three layers of skin: epidermis, the outermost layer, dermis, and subcutaneous layer. This diagram shows this is hair shaft made up of cuticle, cortex, medulla, erector pili muscle. In order to generate heat when the body is cold, erector pili muscle contract all at once and causing the hair to stand up straight on skin. Sebaceous gland produce sebum, the group of oils, and the sebum lubricate the skin to protect against friction. This is hair bulb in which melanocytes are present in hair papilla. This diagram must be studied before understanding the mechanism of grey hair. Hair graying is a natural and common process with the growing age. To describe the grey hair, the rule is called 50-50-50 rule, means at the age of 50, among 50% population have 50% grey hair. White hair is a non-pigmented hair and black hair is a pigmented hair. The term grey hair is the admixture of pigmented hair and white non-pigmented hair. Sometimes a single fiber can show a progressive dilution of pigmentation from black through grey to white, and it is autosomal dominant manner, means in which infected individual has one copy of mutant gene and one copy of normal genes, have 50% chances to transfer this disease to next generation. Origin of grey hair. The procedure of grey hairs vary from the gender to gender. In women, it is originate around the perimeter of center line, while in men, it is originate at the sideburn or on the temple, then lead to the vertex and occupy the whole scalp. Pigmentation of hair. Melanocyte produce melanin and the pigmentation of hair depend upon the melanin production. Melanin is of three types: pheomelanin, eumelanin and neuromelanin. Pheomelanin produce orange and yellow color in hair. Eumelanin produce black and brown in color, and neuromelanin is found in brain. Pigmentation of hair is linked with three different phases: anagen phase, catagen phase and telogen phase. Pigmentation of hair is active in anagen phase while it is turned off in catagen phase, and there is totally absent of pigmentation in telogen phase. This is diagram for graying hair. The tip of hair called dermal papilla is black and pear shaped in the pigmented hair called the pigmentary unit. The shape of dermal papilla is changed from the pear to round shape in the hair gray, and the production of pheomelanin is high than the eumelanin, and the melanocytes are reduced in number in anagen phase by the autophagolysosome destruction. There is other signaling mechanism affect the pigmentation of hair. Receptor for activins and bone morphogenetic protein affect the pigmentation of hair. There is other disruption in anti-apoptotic and antioxidant mechanism affect the hair color. Hydrogen peroxide that normally produced in our body is converted into water and carbon dioxide by the catalase enzymes. In hair follicle, the number of catalase enzyme is reduced and hydrogen peroxide is overproduced that oxidize the tryptophan and methionine. Hydrogen peroxide also affect the tyrosinase enzymes. Tyrosinase enzymes have main role in the melanogenesis process. This is the flow chart diagram that describes the role of hydrogen peroxide in the hair graying. The overproduction of hydrogen peroxide affects the POMC processing. What is POMC? Pro-omeo-melanocortin hormone that normally produces the adrenocorticotropic hormone, melanostimulating hormone and beta-endorphin. All these have main role in the regulation of cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP regulate the tyrosinase enzymes, and tyrosinase enzymes have main role in the melanogenesis production. The overproduction of hydrogen peroxide affect the POMC processing. ACH, MSH and beta-endorphin are reduced in number. Cyclic AMP is reduced and it affects the tyrosinase enzymes and the hair become grey. Other than the antioxidant and the signaling mechanism, some other causes of grey hair are: A. Genetics, cigarette smoking, inflammation, stress. Stress mainly overproduce the hydrogen peroxide. Genetic melanocortin 1 receptor have main role in the hair color. Some genetic defect and certain chemicals. Chemicals inhibit the tyrosinase enzymes and affect the pigmentation of hair. Premature gray hair at the age of 50. Hair graying is a natural and common process, but before the age of 50, hair graying is called the premature gray hair. It is vary from the region to region. In Asian, it happen under the age of 25. In African, it happened under the age of 30. In Caucasian, it happened under the age of 20. Causes of premature gray hair: there is deficiency of vitamin B12. Those who are suffered with purkinje's anemia have gray hair before the age of 50. Hypothyroidism T3 and T4 have main role in the melanogenesis process. Psychological stress, certain chemotherapeutic drug and anti-malarial affect the tyrosinase enzymes and affect the pigmentation of hair. Treatment of gray hair should be adapted by considering the cause. If deficiencies can be fulfilled, gray hair can be reversed. For example, vitamin B12 deficiencies can be fulfilled by vitamin replacement. Hyperthyroidism could be replaced by hormone. Different herbs are used for the treatment of grey hair. Other than this, calcium pantothenate, PEBA, para-aminobenzoic acid, vitamin A, vitamin C are the most recommended agent for premature graying hair. These are the natural antioxidants that can convert hydrogen peroxide to carbon dioxide and water. But there is another novel concept that can be used for the graying hair. Researchers think that the various drugs can be delivered through the hair follicle, so the liposomal delivery of melanin can be used in gene therapy by targeting hair follicle and resulted in the restoration of regional natural hair color. This is the conclusion of this seminar topic. As the age passes, hair grey is a natural and common process, but before the age of 50, hair graying is called the premature hair graying. Melanosome produce melanin and the pigmentation of hair depend upon the melanin production. In hair graying process, hair papilla change their shape from the pear to round shape, and various signaling mechanism, antioxidant and various apoptotic factors affect the pigmentation of hair, and there are other causes and treatment can be used for reversing the gray hair. These are the references that can be used for further information, and I took these data from these references. Thank you so much.